welcome to an episode of my private chef Let Me Cook. But first we got Cinderella washing the dishes. Okay, so I'm not one of those mean ones. I am a black princess that's gonna help a sister out. So I'm helping washing the dishes. So now, y'all ready? Okay. Let's get into it. So we got the pots out for our sides. Now I'm putting water in them. Gotta put the water in it. Okay, that's good right there. So now I need to put butter in it. Yes, butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better. Seasoning, yes, we seasoned the water, okay? So got to put the gloves on because we ain't gonna touch no chicken. We ain't touching no raw chicken. That's what we ain't doing. So cleaning the chicken right here. We're gonna put some garlic salt on that joint. We're going to put some all seasoning on there, all purpose, okay, the chicken seasoning, we're going to do it. Okay, now we're going to get up all up in there, okay, because if the chicken ain't seasoned, then it ain't going to be hidden. So mustard, if you ain't hip to this, then I feel sorry for you. We're going to put the mustard on the chicken, okay? So we're going to continue mixing it all up, getting on every piece. Please take the gloves off me. Thank you. Next, my private chef told me to wash my hands, so we're going to keep it clean. So now she got the plate. That's going in the air fryer. I'm putting the chicken on there. And then we're going to enter it. So she always telling me stories about her mama tell her to clean as she goes. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're cleaning up as we go. Going to keep it clean, okay? Now, what a coincidence. We get to the stove and all of a sudden I'm Scary Mary. And any other times, I'm freely playing with the knobs. Okay, so let's put our mixed vegetables in pot 1. And then we're going to put our rice in pot 2. We're going to get to stirring those. Okay, yes. Still a little scared, but it's all good. So we gonna get the chicken out and ooh, looking fire. Let me smell it. Y'all want some?
About to be it. Hey, rocket cheese, we about to see it. Oh, rocket cheese, you know the deal. Rocket cheese, we about to eat. Rocket cheese, we about to eat. Rocket cheese. Okay.
Yeah, I ain't gonna cap. I really be vibing with my private chef, but sometimes she gets out of hand, y'all. Woo! So the rice, oh, I can't keep it. I'm all smells because the chicken is slapping as I knew that it would. And y'all, my private chef make this every week, but it be busting. Okay, good night.